Hey guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Saddleback thin backpack in the famous tobacco color. So you can see the box is already a little torn up because of the good old Seattle rain. So go ahead and unlock this thing. Looks like we got the standard biodegradable bag covering. Let's take a look at the bag itself. All right, here we go. Absolutely gorgeous bag. So this is chrome tanned full grain leather. And of course, if you're watching this video, you'll have already come across some very passionate debates about whether to go with chrome tan or vegetable tan. I think for a bag of this size and for what I specifically am using it for, chrome tan is the one for me. I think at some point I'll be in the market for a vegetable tanned leather briefcase, but for a backpack especially, I like how these age. I like the softness. Kind of like the fact that it's a little less rigid and kind of less plastic and crispy. So chrome tanned is definitely the way to go for me. So bag looks amazing. Kind of like the darker tobacco color. I know that kind of used to have a lighter yellow orange. This is getting into kind of the cognac territory, and I think it's really nice. I think with age and use and regular treatment, it should get a little bit darker. It's got some inside front pocket there, and then kind of the sewn on space here. Okay, two pretty standard side pockets. Again, a little bit of space behind each for extra stuff. Let's take a look. That strap loosened. It looks like here is where you can clip the bag together. So pretty smart design, especially when using chromium tanned leather, because this will continue to get floppier. And so having the ability to clip it together like this so that the flap totally covers the top in the event of kind of rain. It's another reason why I want to go with chrome tan for a backpack. I live in Seattle, the Pacific Northwest, here in the States, and vegetable tanned out in the rain for 6 months out of the year just does not make a lot of sense. I would be constantly kind of treating and conditioning that thing, and I'm just not really willing to do that kind of work to keep a really nice vegetable tan leather, for something like a briefcase or a backpack nice. So again, another reason why something more porous, something a little bit softer and sturdier in weather makes sense for me. So it's another kind of pro chrome tanned point of view here. So it looks like they've got these are the shoulder pads themselves. Again, the same kind of very soft, very nice full grain leather. I wonder if that's the some of the pigskin lining here, or if they've used a different material. Okay, little laptop sleeve. I don't think they included this in the first generation of these bags, so it's really cool that they've got a laptop sleeve for, I think this should fit 15-inch MacBook, which I will carry from time to time, along with my smaller work bag. Get a good look at the inside of this thing. They're fairly straightforward, you know. I like having that inside pocket, otherwise things are kind of loose in there. The bag feels very sturdy, I mean, I love the design personally, and the engineering feels very solid. Kind of what I would expect from Saddleback. And you know, you'll hear them talk about this in their videos, but they use as few leather pieces as possible, so you can kind of see that in action here. If you turn the bag over, you know, they're not splicing different pieces of leather, you know, scrap leather together to make this bag. Instead, they've used one piece that kind of goes from the top to the bottom here, and then a second main piece that serves as the front of the bag. Front and sides kind of ends here at the bottom, comes together in a super kind of thick, characteristic chromium tanned leather looking kind of stitch here. Great. Well, I am super happy with this bag. I'm excited to travel with this bag. We'll use it for work occasionally, and you know, I'm a big fan of Saddleback and most of the things that they do. So thanks for watching.